Hey there YouTube, Nick here. I realised that yesterday I forgot to record an intro for the video that Shan and I made. So, here's a little bit of an idea of what we're doing today. We have a trivia night tonight. Shan and I are committee members. I'm the president, and Shan is the secretary of the Nichols Point Soccer Club, which is a local club here in Mildura. We have one of our annual fundraisers tonight, which is the Nichols Point Soccer Club Trivia Night. This little video is mostly us dyeing the clothes and some of the pitfalls that we came across along the way. So. Alright guys, that's about it. That's pretty much the drying process from here on in. Essentially what you do is you run it through the washing machine on a gentle cycle, and then dry it, and then iron it and see what it looks like at the end. I'm not going to show you that in this video though. You'll have to stay tuned for the next video where I'll have some footage from the trivia night. We try and put videos out every single week on a Sunday. We've been talking about putting out the occasional midweek video as well, so stay tuned for that. That being said, if you are coming to expect super duper production value from Shan and Nick at video 7, I think we're up to, we're not quite there yet. I'm learning a lot as I go. If anyone has any advice for me on some improvements I can make to my editing, please let me know. I'm pretty much learning as I go along. It is a work in progress. For now though, I hope you're enjoying the videos. I hope you're enjoying what we're putting out. If you please, like, subscribe and share, and stay tuned for more guys. Thanks for watching Shan and Nick guys. We'll catch you soon. Hey, look at us in our orange shirts.
Very orange.
Sorry about the video.
That needs a vacuum.
Yeah, we need to clean up the...
Yeah.
We look good.
Yeah. Alright, we gotta go.
the table.
He found a crumb.
A crumb. Get off. You are a naughty puppy.